This land has it all. Think it'd be a great life, raise a family. I'm looking forward to that day.
We're running low on rations. But don't waste it here.
Our troops are down in New Mexico. It's gonna take them at least 2 weeks to get up here.
2 weeks.
How old are you?
16.
Shot one before?
Yeah.
And what have you shot?
Rabbits.
We need to hold the line. Our guys will catch up with us.
Hear the robin? My aunt used to say when you hear a robin, everything's gonna be okay.
That first time when I had a chance to shoot, it was like I was just standing back watching myself when the gun went off. Like it just happened.